is celebrating this function in a grand scale. RPF has been doing a series of programs like tree plantation, Jal Seva to passengers, helping destitute children and rescuing women, and helping passengers in every possible way. And with a video wall truck, RPF has been moving to the hinterlands of Odisha and sensitizing and educating the people about the achievements of RPF, about the duties of RPF, about the role of RPF, what we have been doing to the passengers, and how RPF can be better itself in the service of nation. So these are, and we have started a bike rally, and this bike rally has been started in every division of Indian Railways and will culminate on August 14th at Delhi. More than 100 bikes will go to Delhi and it will be received by senior officers and Honorable Minister in a grand level function in New Delhi. So I thank all of you for coming over here and listen to RPF. And this band party has come from New Delhi and it has been moving from place to place in Odisha, educating and sensitizing and propagating the activities of RPF on this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Thank you.